Are you a real estate investor or a real estate agent and you are looking for extra ways to make money in and on real estate? Well, today I'm going to cover some ways that are non-traditional, but it's something that we believe in here at TRE is all these ways of making money in every aspect of real estate. Are you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? Smash that subscribe button, go follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page. We're putting out this content all the time and we don't want you to miss it. Let's dive in. All right, so if you're a real estate investor and you've been following our channel for a long time, you know that we always push flipping properties, wholesaling deals, making money as a real estate agent, putting deals together, having rentals. But today I want to cover 3 ways that you can make money in and on real estate that have a pretty low barrier to entry and are somewhat non-traditional. Number 1 is rental arbitrage or Airbnb arbitrage. So this really doesn't require you to buy a property, put money down, and basically what you're doing is you're going to rent out a unit, a house, an apartment, a condo, whatever it may be, and then you are going to turn around and rent that out to somebody else. You're going to need to structure this in your lease, make sure that you're allowed to, but a lot of people do this with Airbnb. You know, owners will rent out the property to you for X amount. You will go in, you'll furnish the unit, you will list it on Airbnb, and then you will turn around and Airbnb it for much more than you're currently paying on your lease. Then you keep the difference between your lease and what you're currently renting it out to a new tenant. This way is really good for all you real estate investors who maybe do not have a ton of capital right now, but you're looking to start making money immediately and getting some cash flow. This is a great way to do it, and you can scale it all the way up and actually turn this into a really great business. The second way to make money in a non-traditional way is to be the money. So Matt and I really like this aspect, and when we have a lot of cash sitting around, we typically like to deploy it in this fashion. And what you're going to do is you're going to lend money to investors in short-term loans. We've recently done a few loans where we'll lend out $30,000, $40,000 for either 10 days to 30 days for someone who just needs a little bit of funding to get through a deal that they may be working on. And we get a good return from lending that money out, comes right back in, and we're having our money make money for us where otherwise it would just be sitting in the bank account. One thing to make sure you do here is have the right paperwork in place. That way you have some collateral on the other end. If someone defaults on the loan, you're able to secure an asset. And then also one thing that is important to put in place is late fees. So if they don't pay back on the date that they're supposed to, there are additional charges that they continue to pay on top of the interest for that loan. The third way is for all of you investors out there that are finding deals and you're able to negotiate in seller financing for these deals. One of our favorite ways to buy seller financing deals and then dispose of seller financing deals is to wrap the mortgage. So essentially what we're doing is we're convincing an owner to owner or seller finance us the property. We put a down payment down, we structure in our interest rate and our payments and our term, then we turn right around and we owner finance that deal to somebody else. They'll pay us a higher down payment, they will pay us a higher interest rate, and we'll keep the difference there. And we hire a mortgage or loan servicer to facilitate this entire transaction. So somebody, the end buyer of the wrap, they pay the loan servicer takes the difference between that one and our loan, and they pay us that, and then they pay off the original seller their loan. But this is a great way to continuously get cash flow without having any responsibility of owning or maintaining the home. If you guys have any questions, please comment below and we will answer. And always reach out to us. Let us know however we can help. We want to make sure that you have everything you need for your real estate journey. See you in the next video.